What up, fam? What up, family? Welcome back to my channel. My name is BizMatik, and I'm back with another review for y'all. Look, this time around, we got Eric Clapton with Let It Rain. Now, I told y'all I would be bringing y'all more Eric Clapton. So y'all let me know which Eric Clapton song to do next in the comment section below. And look, on this cover, I don't know if I'm gonna use this cover for the actual thumbnail. Like, he got like long hair, he got a beard, he looks mad young. It's trippy. Cause all the videos I've seen so far is like, you know, older Eric. But let's go ahead and listen. But before that, y'all thought I forgot. Before that, I got the lyrics. Look, you gotta have the lyrics up, man. You have to. Let's go ahead and listen. Let it rain.
The rain is falling through the mist of sorrow that surrounded me. The sun could never far away the bliss that lays around me. Let it rain, let it rain, let your love rain down on me. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, rain, rain. My life was like a desert flower burning in the sun, until I found the way to love was harder said than done. Let it rain, let it rain, let your love rain down on me. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, rain, rain. How I know the secret, there is nothing that I lack. If I give my love to you, you surely give it back. Let it rain, let it rain, let your love rain down on me. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, rain, rain. Let it rain, let it rain, let your love rain down on me. Let it rain.
Whoa, yo, woo. Whoa, hold up. Feels good, man. That just feels good, man. And the instrumentation behind this is no joke. I love the keys. Like, they have it pinned, and they got it like going from your right to your left, and then you got the bass. It's very subtle, but it's there. Like, you can't miss it. Woo! It's just let it rain. Let it rain. And then on the background, let it rain. Now, see me, I'm used to. I make it rain. I make it rain on them hoes. I know y'all made it rain on them hoes. That's what you do when you go to the strip club. Everybody get $1. Everybody get $1. 4 quarters for all y'all. You feel me? But it's good to let it rain also. Pause. A lot of y'all didn't get that reference. I just did. I'm sorry. I'm not really sorry, but y'all didn't get the reference. Y'all didn't get the whatever. Look, man, Eric Clapton never disappoints. Never disappoints. Now, as this song escalates, it is building and building and building, and he's taking us to church. So much soul to it. Like, this type of music, you can't help but to chair dance. You feel me? I know I be fooling y'all. Y'all be thinking I could dance for real, but I probably could, but I can't. But on this chair, beast. On this chair, I'm a monster. You know what I'm saying? Just soul in the shoulders. And then you need to snap what. But let's go ahead and finish.
Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, rain, rain.
Dun, 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 dun. That's the guitar sounding like that. Oh my God, yo, that jam session was crazy. Like, the guitar was pitched so high. I was like, is that the guitar or the keys? But then the keys, like, they got them separate. Like, if you listening to it on headphones, they're not all blended in. Like, they got them separate. Like, the keys are mostly to your right, and the guitar is like kind of like in the center more. I don't know. You have to know engineering to know what I'm talking about. But like, you could tell the difference. But the keys, I mean, the guitar is so high pitched, and it's kind of mirroring what the keys are doing. It's like it's trippy. It's fucking trippy, man. And then you got that bass. Oh my God, yo, that was a sick jam session. Whew. Just straight dirty, nasty, disgusting. I don't know why I did that. But yeah, damn. Y'all let me know how you feel about it in the comment section below. And yo, look, if you made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell. Join the squad. We'll be happy to have you. This is going on the playlist, by the way. It's been great finds lately. This going on the playlist just because of that last jam session. Like, it's a dope song, don't get me wrong, but that jam session, like, set it off. That was it. But yeah, if you made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell. Let me know what's next from Eric Clapton, and also like the video, share it with a friend. You feel me? Share it with your mama. Share it with your mama boyfriend. Share it with your homies. Share it with everybody. You feel me? Yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. And guess what? You better be there. Peace.